Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to disable background scrolling when pop-up modal is open. So if you want to prevent scrolling when pop-up modal is open, then this is the post or this is the tutorial that you're looking for. So this is actually just a simple lightweight plugin which disable the background scrolling whenever a pop-up will display on a page. So you need to add something onto your HTML file for that one or the HTML body so that it will prevent it from scrolling when a model pop-up is open. So for the first step for that one, so here are the things that you need to include or the plugins that you need to include. So you need to include this plugin library on a page with the latest jQuery library. You need to take out of this code, and also for the HTML, you need to add this sample pop-up button with dummy content, which is this one. So if you scroll down further in here to activate the pop-up window and disable body scrolling when the pop-up modal window is open. So this is the JS code that you want to add. And here is actually a sample live demo and the download source code. So for this one, you'll just have to find this onto your local browser. Try to find an imrohit.in in here on how to disable background scrolling when pop-up modal is open, so that you should be able to see in here, or you'll get the download link for that one. So there's a live demo and download source code for that. You could go ahead and download it freely. And that's just basically it onto how to disable background scrolling when pop-up modal is open. If you think that has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.